Ever wondered how to achieve that flawless makeup look? It all begins with a good skincare routine. Creating a flawless face isn't just about the makeup you apply, but also the preparation that goes into ensuring your skin is at its best. Let's start with the basics. It's important to begin with a clean face. Think of your face as a canvas. A clean, smooth canvas is key to creating a breathtaking masterpiece. So, the first step in our skincare prep is cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type to remove dirt, oil, and any residual makeup. Next up is moisturizing. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and happy skin makes for an excellent base for makeup. Moisturizing not only hydrates your skin but also helps to maintain its natural protective barrier. So always ensure to moisturize your face after cleansing. Now let's talk about priming. Primer is like the bridge between your skincare and makeup. It creates a smooth surface for your makeup to adhere to. This step is essential as it not only helps your makeup last longer, but also ensures a more even application. There's a variety of primers on the market, and your choice depends on your skin type and the finish you want to achieve. Whether you want to combat oiliness, dryness, dullness, or large pores, there's a primer out there for you. Applying primer isn't rocket science. Simply apply a pea-sized amount of primer to your face, focusing on areas where your makeup tends to wear off throughout the day. These areas might include your T-zone if you have oily skin, or your cheeks if your skin is dry. And voila! You're all set to move on to the next step of your makeup routine. But remember, taking the time to prepare your skin can make all the difference. It not only allows your makeup to look its best, but also helps to keep your skin healthy underneath. Remember, a healthy canvas leads to a stunning masterpiece. So don't skip your skincare prep. It's the first step towards achieving that flawless makeup look you've always dreamed of. Now that your skin is prepped, let's move on to foundation. This is where the magic really begins. The key to a flawless face is finding the perfect foundation shade. You don't want to look like you're wearing a mask, right? So, to find your ideal match, test the foundation on your jawline or wrist. The shade that blends seamlessly with your skin is the one. But wait, there's more to consider than just the shade. Your skin type also plays a crucial role when choosing a foundation formula. If your skin is oily, go for a matte or oil-free foundation. Dry skin? You might prefer a hydrating or dewy formula. Combination skin? A balanced or buildable foundation could be your best bet. Remember, makeup is not a one-size-fits-all. It's about finding what works best for you. The right foundation can make or break your makeup look, so choose wisely. With foundation in place, it's time to conceal and highlight. Concealing is like magic. It's all about making things disappear. All you need is a good concealer that matches your skin tone. Gently dab it onto any blemishes or those pesky dark circles under your eyes. The key is to blend it well with your foundation, creating a seamless look. Now, let's add some light to your face. Highlighting is about bringing forward and emphasizing the high points of your face. Choose a highlighter that's a shade lighter than your foundation. Lightly apply it to your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the Cupid's bow. That's the little dip on your upper lip. This will add dimension to your face and give you a radiant glow. With these steps, you're well on your way to achieving a flawless face. Remember, beauty is all about enhancing what you have and feeling good about yourself. Up next, we'll be perfecting those eyes. Stay tuned. Let's turn our attention to the eyes. They're often referred to as the windows to the soul, and with some well-placed makeup, they can truly be the star of the show. Like any great masterpiece, your eye makeup needs a solid base. That's where an eyeshadow primer comes in. Think of it as the secret weapon in your beauty arsenal. It not only helps your eyeshadow pop, but also keeps it from creasing and smudging. A tiny dab goes a long way, so apply sparingly across the lids and let dry for a moment. Next, let's talk about color. Choosing the right eyeshadow hue can illuminate your eyes and make them stand out. If you have green eyes, try purples or red-toned browns. Blue eyes pop with golds and peaches, while brown eyes can pull off just about any color. And remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so don't be afraid to experiment. Now, onto lashes. Before you reach for your mascara, give your lashes a good curl. This simple step can make a world of difference, providing a wide-eyed, more alert look. Then, apply your mascara, wiggling the wand from the root to the tip of your lashes. This technique helps separate the lashes and coats them evenly. And finally, the piece de resistance, winged eyeliner. This classic look can add drama and definition to your eyes. Start by drawing a thin line from the inner corner of your eye, following the lash line. Then, create a wing by extending the line upward from the outer corner. It might take a few tries to get right, but practice makes perfect. Perfectly done eyes can truly elevate your makeup look. They can add depth and dimension, and can even change the perceived shape of your eyes. So, take your time, experiment, and find what works best for you. Because when it comes to makeup, there's no one-size-fits-all. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty and expressing your unique style. Now let's add some color and dimension with blush and contour. Two magic words that can transform your face shape, add warmth, and give you a healthy, rosy glow. Firstly, let's talk about blush. This is your ticket to a natural-looking flush that can make all the difference. To achieve this, smile and lightly apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. This is the round, prominent part that pops up when you grin. Use a fluffy brush and a light hand to dust your chosen shade in an upward motion, blending towards the hairline and then downwards to soften the edges. The key here is subtlety, so remember, it's always easier to add more if needed than to take away. Now, on to contouring. This is where we create depth and definition. When contouring, focus on the hollows of your cheeks, along the jawline and the sides of your nose. Imagine drawing a 3 on your face, starting from your forehead, curving into your cheekbones, and then out and around your jaw. The contour shade should be 2 shades darker than your skin tone to mimic natural shadows. The trick is to use a smaller brush for precision and control. And remember, less is more. We're not creating sharp lines, but rather gentle shadows. The final and perhaps the most important step in the blush and contour process is blending. Blend, and when you think you're done, blend some more. This is crucial for a seamless and natural finish. Use a clean, fluffy brush and blend in circular motions to diffuse any harsh lines. So there you have it. Blush and contour can be your best friends when it comes to sculpting and defining your features. They have the power to transform your face, accentuate your best features, and add a healthy flush. But remember, practice makes perfect. So don't get discouraged if you don't nail it on your first try. Keep experimenting and find what works best for you. Blush and contour are your best friends when it comes to sculpting and defining your features. So stay fabulous and keep shining, beauties. Last but not least, let's perfect those lips. Lips are the cherry on top of your makeup look and can tie everything together. The first step is to outline your lips with a lip liner. This helps define their shape and prevents your lipstick or lip gloss from bleeding out. When selecting a lip liner, it's best to choose a shade that closely matches your chosen lipstick or lip gloss color. Now, on to lipstick or lip gloss. The choice between these two depends on the look you're going for. A lipstick can provide a matte or satin finish, while a lip gloss will give your lips a shiny, glossy look. Remember, the color should complement your overall makeup look. If you want your lips to appear fuller, here's a little trick. Add a dab of highlighter to the Cupid's bow. That's the little dip in the middle of your top lip. This will catch the light and create an illusion of fuller lips. And there you have it, your guide to achieving a flawless makeup look. Now that you have all these fabulous tips, it's time to put them into practice. We've walked you through the beauty journey, from preparing your skin to perfecting your lips. Remember, a clean and moisturized canvas is the foundation of a stunning masterpiece. Selecting the right foundation and concealer shades are crucial. Don't shy away from accentuating your features with some highlighting and contouring. Your eyes can truly sparkle with the right eyeshadow, mascara, and eyeliner. A touch of blush can bring a healthy flush, while the right lip color can tie your whole look together. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Feel free to experiment, play around with colors and techniques, and find what works best for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Until next time, stay beautiful.